Okay, guys, I'm back. So, basically, I just lost my mind over my bad, brutal behavior. But let's just stop worrying about it. Okay, guys, you know it. You asked for it. Today we're doing Come Fly Away. It's drum and bass, just like I said. So let's go. I even do better. What you said. Try to have your comprehension on this. Comprehension. Okay, sorry. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, let's go for it. No way. There we go. There we go. That's only the basics. Y'all have been asking me in a comprehensive way. Try to compromise that type of exclusive pressure. Enhance my comprehension. You guys need to understand what that means. Anyways, lesson 2. Try to do this more frequently than what you expected to do. Right? Yeah. And that's actually trying to lower my comprehension. Trying to contribute my entire goals and my entire requirement. Plus, it will reduce my responsibility even more. Okay. We'll go for it. Oh no. Get this ad out of here. Okay, lesson 3. Okay, I finally did it. For sure, yeah. Manipulating my entire circumstance. Not just doing anything a little too sloppy. Okay, lesson 4. Okay. Why are you looking at me? Okay, I just don't get your enhancive way. Well, get out. Here we go. has been accomplished. This precisely. Not just have a dimensional prosecution. Even though my literal goals are just keep bruising and bruising all over again. Well, actually, I didn't care about what you just said already. You need to manage your distribution in order to prosecute even more. Not just only have to have the entire legislation between you and yourself. Yeah, I get it. Well, anyways, lesson 5. No talking. Okay. I do this every day to try to have enhanced skills to kind of do better to informate prosecution. Try to get more evaluation till I give it a little strategy. Yes. That's based on my entire information. Hey, get this out of here. I don't know about that. I'm not even buying for that. Lesson 6. Sounds a little smooth, by the way. You guys have been wondering why I use Groovepad all the time. Well, I use it for the first time usually since I was 12. I do think it was 4 years. Huh? I don't remember. I don't remember the fact. Alright, let's move on to lesson 7. Let's just get into the briefing about how I play Groovepad. So, basically, it was not only that I just had to even press the little color-coded pads, but I honestly think it was a little harder to do. In fact, it was the timing and my grinding, the way I try to fund it and just press it a little easily and deeply around the little color coded ones. They go a little fast, but they entirely go slow a little bit, honestly. Oh, I just love Sprite, but don't even show it to me. I'm not buying that. That's too much, and it only says $8.42. No, it is intentionally not that much. Too much soda. Too much sugar. It only says Sprite Zero. Get out. Lesson 8. Just being annoying. I'm including the fact that No, stop showing me that! What did I tell you? I'm not buying that! Gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm not buying that stuff, Sprite. I'm including the fact that I just honestly try to play it and try to briefly rebundle my stuff and just do whatever I want in order to kind of have the capacity within this process to make sure I'm not accidentally fail or screwing up. Very unusual. Alright, lesson 9. I know how to improve my accountability on this type of strategy. It's very strategical. I guess you're gonna do that one, I believe. Groovepad. Groovepad. That's amazing. Yes. Alright, last lesson. I knew I couldn't possibly fail. I nomically could fail at the moment. Try that new word out. I literally don't know. We completed all the lessons. Time to do something else. What you want to get, little stupid Bucky? What you want to get? I want to get Starbucks. No, we don't have no money for Starbucks. No. Clearly, I don't have any money for Starbucks. Okay. Haven't done any one of those songs for a minute. Like a no pressure. Alright. You know all these songs that I haven't played are coming soon. Check stuff at Walmart. Hold up, guys. You know, you keep on asking me that type of stuff. No, I'm not shopping anything from Walmart. Are you serious? No. Let's see. Okay. There's a bunch of cereal. Which cereal do riders prefer to? They got Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, root beer float flavor. I'm sorry, limited edition. Or the Reese's Puffs breakfast cereal, chocolatey peanut butter cereal, family size. Oh good. Oh great, I don't want to shop for anything. That fixes me the budget. Literally pisses me off. I know. Literally squabbling. I don't know. Yes, you do. Cereals are too good at the moment. Okay. Which one do you want to look at first? Hurry up, because I'm about to close the video. Can we look at some clothes? Oh my gosh. Now you know they got some cute clothes here on sale. No, I'm not into a fraud situation here. Halloween's coming. No. Maybe a couple of months. Probably 3 months actually. So many clothing. So cute. Alright, let me get out this Walmart stuff. I'll close the video out. Alright guys, so the next song is Uplifting DMB. It's gonna come tomorrow. And all songs coming soon. So hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys think what songs should I do on Groovepad. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos coming soon. So yeah, bye.